Hello, District 31 families. This week's A Quick Look at Inclusive Practices Family Edition is about an IEP and when a child qualifies. An IEP is an individualized education program. It's a legal document under IDEA, or the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. An IEP defines the special education instruction, support, and services a child would need to be successful in school. A child qualifies for an IEP after an evaluation is completed. Sometimes an evaluation is completed and the child would not qualify for an IEP. Under other circumstances, the evaluation would lead to the child's eligibility in the categories of specific learning disability, other health impairment, such as ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, emotional disturbance, speech or language impairment, visual impairment, including blindness, deafness, hearing impairment, deaf-blind, orthopedic impairment, intellectual disability, traumatic brain injury, or multiple disabilities. Included in an IEP is information about the student, such as their name, birth date, and grade. There's also a list on an invitation for the IEP meeting of the IEP team members. The IEP team includes the family, the student, the general education teacher, and any service providers. Also included in the IEP are present levels that the student is at, including their strengths and areas of need. Also in the IEP is information about the child's placement in the least restrictive environment, any related services that they may receive, such as occupational therapy or speech and language therapy, any supplementary aids and services, such as accommodations and modifications that the student needs to be successful in school. In the IEP, you'll also find annual goals. Those are goals specific to the student, as well as updates for those goals. You'll find information about assessments, as well as any accommodations that a student needs to take the assessments. Lastly, you'll also find consent for services. In order for a child to receive special education services, we need to have consent from the family. If you have questions about an IEP, when a child qualifies, or what's included in the IEP, please feel free to reach out. And as always, if you have ideas for future A Quick Look videos, I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much. Take care.